Hey YouTube, today we try to create a shareable test event for Lambda function. So to do that, we go to Lambda, and when you go to the dashboard, you can select one of your functions or you can create a new one. We have a dedicated video on how to create a new one, so I will not go through this one. I'll go to Lambda. After that, you go to the test and you go to this panel. So you choose the name, you say my shareable test. And instead of using private, use shareable, and you can test it to see it did work, and we have everything looks fine. So what is a shareable test? So shareable tests are shareable test events are events that you can share with other users in the AWS account. You can edit your you can edit others shareable test events and invoke your function with them. The Lambda saves shareable test events as a schema in Amazon Event to Pitch, CloudWatch events, and they are named, I guess, Lambda test event schemas. And as Lambda utilizes this registry to store and call the shareable test events you create, it's AWS recommend that you do not edit this registry or create a registry using Lambda test event schema's name. And you can also, if you want to see, share, and edit shareable test events, you must have some permissions. For this one, you just have like okay, let's try to. You have a schema to create a registry. You should has a permission for create schema, delete schema, and delete schema version, and so on and so forth. I will go through this. Let's just try to copy all of that and go to the code, and I'll just put here in the code. So basically you should have this one: schema.create registry, schema.create schema, delete schema version, and the registry, you should have permissions for all of that. Let's just delete it so it will not make a problem. So yeah, that's it in how to create a shareable test. And in the next video, I will make a video that describe what are the differences between a shareable test and a private test.